Hello, this is Barry McCormick. Welcome to the BastilleBSD video series. Today we're going to do another installment of our BastilleBSD shorts. A BastilleBSD short is where we take one individual command and look at it in depth. Today we're going to look at the etcupdate command. The etcupdate command updates the etc directory to a specified release. Let's look at the documentation and what it says. As always, I get up the BastilleBSD website. I click documentation. I come down here to this command will update the contents of etc inside of the jail. It should be run after a jail upgrade. So you upgrade a jail, say from 13.5 to 14.2. Then after that, you run Bastille etc update, the name, update, release. So here's the format of the command. Bastille etc update, the options. You can do a dry run to show what it's going to do. -F to force a rebootstrap of a release. -X, as always, gives us our debug mode, which gives us copious amounts of output. So, Bastille etc update, the options, either bootstrap or target. So you have to bootstrap an etc update before you can use it. So let's go through this and do one. Okay. I updated the jail name standard from 13.5 to 14.2. So we need to nope. Case had one too many options in there. So Bastille etc update bootstrap 14.2 release. It'll go get the source files it needs. This is being painfully slow. My advice is fast forward the video through this downloading. I'm going to let it run because we got to have it to so I'll stop the video and restart the video. That way it doesn't sit here for another 27 minutes. We'll be back after it's bootstrapped. Welcome back. We finished bootstrapping the etc. So you look on the screen, it took it 8 minutes to download the source.txz. It built the tarball. It completed the bootstrap, a 14.2 release. Now, we need to update the standard jail. Remember, the jail name standard is the one I updated. So now we do Bastille etc update. Enter, see the command. Update. Target, I want to update standard. and 14.2 release. Oh, here's where I need the update. Notice what it was doing. It copied new files into the etc. It updated all the files in /etc, and it said, okay, needs an update. Manual update via TZ setups. In other words, the etc local time, it says you need to manually update that file to set your time zone. And that's all there is to doing an etc update. The biggest part of it is you have to bootstrap. You have to run that command to bootstrap the 14.2 release or whatever release you're doing the update on. Remember, etc update is only done to a jail after you've done an upgrade. So hopefully this gives you a little bit of a insight into the etc update command. Reread over the documentation and make sure you understand. Feel free if you have any questions, because this one's a little different. As always, we're in the Discord, the Telegram channel, the Discord channel, the RC channel. We can be found to ask questions if you have questions about doing an etc update or doing any kind of update or upgrade. So hopefully this has been informative for you, and as always, happy computing.